The inspiring term modern harmony serves as an apt summary for the discerning design philosophy embraced by a pioneering wave of tiny homes, which masterfully strike an essential, delicate equilibrium between compelling contemporary aesthetic appeal and a deep, sustaining quality of internal stillness. These residencies are far more than simple downsized structures. They represent meticulously engineered living habitats that actively and deliberately reject the material complexity and visual overwhelm often associated with a maximalist culture. The exterior presentation typically features a highly refined, minimalist silhouette, characterized by strikingly bold geometrical lines, a restrained monochromatic or earth-inspired color scheme, and the strategic, liberal incorporation of architectural glass. This intentional architectural simplicity acts as a silent tribute to serenity, guaranteeing that the structure settles quietly into its setting without visually overpowering the environment, all while simultaneously showcasing an elevated standard of modern styling and bespoke construction quality. It is within the confines of the interior that this sought-after harmony between sophisticated style and peaceful stillness is most profoundly realized. To successfully integrate both aesthetic sophistication and a genuinely calm atmosphere, designers thoughtfully select and blend organic, natural materials such as light-hued birch plywood, cool polished concrete surfaces, and soft natural fiber textiles, which introduces essential tactile texture and warmth without contributing any distracting visual chaos. The floor plan is meticulously open concept, having been purposefully engineered to maximize the ingress and diffusion of natural light, which is treated not as a secondary feature, but as a fundamental primary design element. Expansive window walls and ceiling skylights are precisely positioned to intentionally direct the occupant's gaze outward, thereby forging a constant, powerful connection with the tranquil external environment, allowing the surrounding landscape to transform into an unobtrusive, living mural of perpetual change. The ultimate outcome of this approach is a dwelling that feels emotionally expansive, providing an invaluable sanctuary where mental focus can be restored and the speed of life can be deliberately moderated. Crucially, the maintenance of this pervasive sense of stillness relies heavily upon the ingenious implementation of highly functional design solutions. Every structural element and visible surface is the result of an intentional decision. For instance, furniture is inherently multi-purpose and seamlessly integrated, allowing the central living zone to rapidly reconfigure for various daily functions, while all necessary storage is completely concealed through flush, hidden paneling, and flawless cabinetry. This strict commitment to invisible organization is paramount, as it effectively preempts the accumulation of visual clutter, which is the single largest threat to maintaining a truly calm internal state. Furthermore, areas dedicated to cooking and personal hygiene often evoke a resort-like spa sensibility achieved through clean, uninterrupted lines, carefully selected muted color palettes, and the use of premium, durable fixtures, all working to deepen the feeling of personal retreat and mindful self-care. Ultimately, the enduring success of this modern tiny house lies in its nature as an intentional living space. It functions as a tangible physical representation of a mindful lifestyle, where its beautiful, stylish design actively serves the much deeper purpose of cultivating holistic well-being, mental clarity, and an unshakable, lasting sense of internal peace. The apt descriptor, modern harmony, accurately summarizes the intelligent design philosophy driving a new echelon of tiny homes, which expertly forge a necessary and fragile balance between compelling contemporary visuals and a profoundly soothing quality of inner tranquility. These structures should be recognized as significantly more than merely smaller residences. They stand as rigorously engineered living ecosystems that intentionally and decisively turn away from the material overabundance and visual complexity characteristic of the maximalist cultural standard. From the outside, the home presents an acutely refined, unadorned silhouette, marked by sharply defined geometrical lines, a controlled selection of single-color or earth-toned finishes, and a strategic, generous application of architectural glazing. This deliberate simplification of form itself functions as a silent, powerful homage to calmness, ensuring the building rests discreetly within its environment without creating an overwhelming presence, all while simultaneously showcasing an elevated commitment to cutting-edge style and highly skilled custom construction. The most tangible realization of this desirable fusion between sophisticated aesthetics and deep quietude occurs within the home's interior limits. Designers achieve both elegance and a genuinely serene mood by meticulously choosing and combining organic, tactile resources, such as warm, pale-toned birchwood, cool, textural polished concrete, and soft,